like a little quick, soft little glam moment. That's what we're doing. Cheers. So I'm gonna show you how I got this flavors. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I did. So before I do my makeup, or like even after I wash my face or do anything, I like to put on my Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner first. I love like doing my makeup when I'm having a drink because it like takes off the pressure, you know what I mean? I really like this pore primer, but I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks where I have a lot going on. Didn't even show you what I just put on my face. Okay, this is No Pore Blend Primer by Touch and Soul. I really like it. It kind of feels like a moisturizer and also so after I put on the primer, I also like to put on, I also use this to set my face too, but I feel like under your foundation and everything, it really helps just to put like a little bit on. It's the Claudeli, Sadeli, I don't know. I always remember it by like the white bottle with the green plant and it starts with a C. So yeah, I use this under my makeup and also to set it. Okay. For concealer, I like to use Milk. This is literally like my go-to concealer because it works effortlessly, and you can also just like use the concealer by itself if you don't really want to do like a full foundation on. So I literally just put this on like all my problem areas. I do it like under my eye here. I like to cover these little ugly spots here, 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 and then on both sides of my nose. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this. I feel like doing your makeup, it's like, I feel like it's very like therapeutic. Like it's kind of like doing yoga or like working out after you do like a really long workout and then you go like in a steam room. It's just like I feel like doing your makeup is like that. I also like to watch people eat when I'm really hungry, or just to like give me ideas of what I want to eat, because sometimes I don't know what I want to eat and like I just need some inspiration. Like I either think about, okay, what do I want to feel in my mouth right now? Like, what kind of textures do I want in my mouth? Or like, what kind of flavors? Do I want something spicy, citrusy, or savory? Okay, so first it's like the texture and then like the flavor, and then that helps me decide. Or sometimes it's like, okay, today I feel like being healthy, so okay, did you just see how I just like attacked my face? Like, I don't know why, but like sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, I just like, and bitch, I'm not in a rush or anything, but I just like do that. I don't know, like, I'm crazy. Okay, foundation. I love, this is my like go-to foundation. If like I don't have the coins at the moment, then maybe I'll use, I don't know, I think it's like CoverGirl or something. I still have it over there, but I don't feel like getting up. So, but this is like, this is my shit. This is my jam. This is everything. Okay, so it's the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. This is what she looks like. I'm actually not like a professional makeup person. Everyone leaves, everyone stops watching the video, but I feel like I can do like the basics or whatever, but like not like, oh, not like all that, you know? So yeah, so now, and it's like a pink chrome. It's super, super pretty. The foundation and put it on my brush like that, and then we're also gonna spray the Idole on there. I feel like I'm not even pronouncing this right, but I really don't care. You know what it is, so yeah, so we're just gonna spray it on there like that. And so far she's looking good. All of a sudden she's a makeup artist. Just as I only put on my fucking foundation. Like, sit down. I'm gonna use the Glossier lip balm. And also smells like cotton candy, not like cotton candy butter, but like candy butter. Yeah, so that's what we look like so far. So now we're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna use my Moschino Bear palette. I'm gonna use color Absorb, this one here, to cut it, cut it, cut it. All right, pinkies up. Has another sip of wine. I'm still in the same glass with wine. I like drinking it because it like makes me go slow, so I'm not like chugging like a tequila tonic or something. You know what I mean? this color and this one. Like I want to do like something like girly and fun. So we're gonna use the Fort Knox color. This one. Okay, so my camera actually died, so I went and I did the eyeliner, mascara, and lip liner and lipstick. Okay, so for the mascara, I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I always use this one because I have like really short and small eyelashes, so this is the only mascara that makes me look like I have eyelashes on my face. I know, surprising. And then I went over my brows and I used the Glossier Boy Brow, and then I just blended it out with this Maybelline brow thing. So I always use like this end and I just like blend it like that after I do everything. Babes, this is Baby Pumps, and so yeah, this is the finished look.